Let him come back with a testimony. I know you are the God of the poor and the needy. Please, do not disappoint us.
Papa is not yet back.
No.
What is keeping him now? Eh? Since morning. Eh? Just look at the time. Eh? What's keeping him?
Who knows? Maybe they will pay them today. Yeah. And you know there are a lot of them, so the payment will take a lot of time.
I just hope so. I really hope so. I sincerely hope so. Because the way things are going now, I just don't understand. I really don't understand. I'm so hungry, I'm so hungry.
I know.
You're welcome.
You're still awake.
I will soon go to sleep. I'm not dizzy yet.
Daddy. Daddy, you're crying. Daddy, why are you crying?
Amara, no father will ever be happy to see himself incapacitated. Not that I was lazy. I had been a hard-working man. As a teacher, throughout all my life in the teaching profession, I was always very hard working. I usually went to school before every other person. I worked for 35 good years as a teacher. I never lagged behind in anything at all. And now that I have retired from service, after giving 35 years of service, I retired as a grade level 15 officer, principal special grade 2. Why would the government pay me my pension for me to at least take care of my family, take care of my children?
Daddy, please don't cry. Daddy, please don't cry. I know, by the special grace of God, they'll pay you soon. Daddy, it's okay. Daddy.
Maybe I will have to remind you that the curse of the death of my wife, my darling, your mother, she died simply because I was unable to provide 20,000 naira. Only 20,000 naira for her appendicitis operation.
Daddy, please stop.
Oh.
Daddy, please stop. Stop. Daddy. Daddy, please. I have told you, stop dwelling in the past. My mom is long dead and forgotten. Daddy, we should face the future now. Daddy, come. Come, go to bed. I'm sure if you sleep very well tonight, by the time you wake up, you will forget about the disappointment you have at the local government today. Daddy, come, please.
Mom, 35 years of service.
Daddy, I know.
Very good.
Daddy, I won't leave you. No, Daddy.
Bless me. Okay.
Stop crying. Why do you always cry? Is it because you are being sent out of school?
Tell me, why did
See, Amara. What we should be doing now is to figure out the solution. I'm not crying. See, let's talk to the English teacher to help us talk to the principal. Okay?
No, I will not do that. We said that last weekend I will not pay our fees. Now you want me to do that again? I will not.
Stop now. Stop crying. Stop now. The English teacher likes us. I'm sure if we tell her to help us talk to the principal, she will do that again for us. Okay?
Why did you know it nice one?
I know, I just know. Let's just try. Okay? Let's just try.
Don't know what this plate now, John.
Are you sure they are not going to disappoint you people this weekend? Because we wouldn't want to disappoint our English master again.
Who knows, my son? Who knows? You know, last weekend, they promised us everything, gave us every assurance that they were going to pay. They even asked us to line up, queue in a single file to receive our money. We queued on the line and we were standing there for hours on end. One woman who was looking sickly and very hungry collapsed.
Collapsed?
And was carried to the hospital. I thank God I did not collapse, because I knew I was more hungry than that woman.
But Daddy, see, I'm confused here. Yes. Why are these people not paying? Why the promise and pay? Is it that the government, they don't have money anymore to pay or what?
My daughter. Ghost pensioners.
Ghost pensioners.
And what does that mean?
Ghost pensioners. Ghost pensioners, you know this country is corrupt. Our politicians are corrupt. Now the corrupt politicians will go and sign up people that never worked for this country for a single day as pensioners. They are called ghost pensioners. Now those people signed up will receive little incentives from these corrupt politicians. And they will go every month. They go and collect that incentive. Why the politicians, the corrupt politicians, the evil people in government, the wicked men that are downtrodden on others, will go and embezzle the major money. Why those people who are supposed to be paid as pensioners are denied? People like us. That is the problem.
This is serious.
And this is wickedness. Ajobi.
And nobody is talking. Nobody.
Who will talk? I will talk or others? Who amongst us will talk? Eh? You want them to shoot me and to kill me?
No.
Let me tell you. When they will be moving with their siren, win from place to place, those people are not qualified to ride inside any siren. They are not supposed to drive with sirens. It's only the presidents and the governors that have such powers. They have no such powers. But these wicked and corrupt politicians will be, oh my God. They kick people here and there, push them from one side to the other. If you see what they do in hold-ups, where we have traffic jams, my God, you will have mercy and pity the common man. Now, those people that carry guns, that moved with them, you will see them jump down on the road, carry gun, wave it up and down. They run front and they run backwards. They are not policemen. They are not army people. But they will carry these evil men. The hoodlums they used to rig elections that sent them into power, they use them to harass people on the way. They are not army people. They go and so no trained policeman will behave like that on the road. The military men and the barracks, they cannot come out and behave like that. But these hoodlums, when you look at them, you know they were retired thieves. They are old. And that is why they shoot people like that. Trained policemen don't shoot their guns anyhow. Military men don't come out and move around the streets singing praises for people anyhow. It cannot be. These are
so full of suffering, so full of sorrows. Oh, what a wicked world. Man should love each other, always help one another. Those who say they love you only want to use you in this wicked world.
God ready before coming to call me. The next time I'll come to teach and I find the God unkept, I'll walk out. I'm an Albert. Why this boss? Are you well at all? I said wipe this board. What are you hiding? Stand up. I said stand up. Stand up. What's going on there? Come. Come. I said come. Come.
How come you didn't know you were menstruating? Auntie, I knew.
Oh, you knew?
Yes, but the tissue paper I came with could not sustain me.
You mean you still make use of tissue paper instead of sanitary pads?
I don't have that kind of money to buy a pad. We don't have that kind of money.
Jesus Christ.
Amara, make sure you come and meet me
every month to collect money for your sanitary pad. Okay? I hope you've made use of the one I gave to you.
Yes, Auntie.
You can go home now and wash yourself properly.
Amara, look at your life. Just take a good look at yourself. A very beautiful and intelligent girl like you, look at how your life is wasting. You're just destroying yourself for nothing, when I'm here. Eh? Okay, look at your school uniform. You're still wearing this, you and your brother are still wearing the same old school uniform that does not have the school badge. Am I talking about your school fees? Or is it WAEC? That one is till thy kingdom comes. Ordinary sanitary pad of 150 naira you cannot afford. I have told you, only accept my proposal, accept me. Even if it is for 2 minutes, just let me just be your boyfriend. For 2 minutes, I will do all these things for you. You will never lack again in this school. I know what I'm telling you. I have great potential to take care of you. Eh? Okay, are you the only born again in this school? Are you the only born again? Are you the only Christian in this world? Are you the only young girl that is born again? Me too, am I not born again? Eh? Even in that your classroom, all those girls there, all of them have boyfriends, except you. How will you accept me? It's because I love you. I will take care of you. I will do all these things for you.
Let them have now. Let them have. Me, I don't want to have. Is it by force? Leave me alone, no. Leave me alone, no. I'm warning you. Leave me alone.
Amara.
So full of suffering, so full of sorrows. Oh, what a wicked world. Men should love each other, always help one another. Those who say they love you only want to use you in this wicked world.
Take this letter. Give it to your principal. I believe after reading it, he will allow you people in.
Daddy, there's no need for this. He said this as at last week, that if we fail to pay our school fees, he will not listen to any plea from anyone. Even if God himself comes down to plead with him.
Amara, I've told you before, let's be optimistic here. He's a father like Daddy. He will understand him better. And I believe after reading the letter, he will see reasons with us. Okay? Let's just try.
Ugonna. I know you're always hopeful, but trust me, this will lead to further frustration and public disgrace. I don't want it. I don't.
That's the only option we have. And we just have to try, okay? We have to try.
See you off your face.
Give it to your father and tell him I don't need it. All I need is your school fees. I am not the government. I refuse to pay his pension. Neither are we running a charity organization in this place. Understand? Tell him that. My friend, go back to your father. Tell him if he cannot train you in school and pay your school fees, then stay with him. can't find something else to do. After all, it is not a must that all the children must go to school. We don't run a charity organization here.
Please leave me alone.
I'm so sorry.
Don't even tell me it's okay. You're the one that caused this whole thing today.
I'm sorry, our plans didn't work. I'm sorry. So what are we going to do now?
What else are we going to do other than to go home?
Stop crying, please.
Ami. Hey, stop crying, okay? Stop crying. I'll give you the money.
Really? Yes. Okay. I'll stop crying. So you give us our fees.
Yeah, 2 of you.
Is it today? Or should we come tomorrow?
Come to the house this night.
Leave me alone! I'll punish you. I'm gonna let go. You know why? The good people suffer and the evil rejoice in their sin.
Amara, I've always told you, when things like this happen, don't start crying. Let's begin to figure out the solution.
Mr. Figurative, what solution do you have this time around?
You know, I've been thinking, seriously.
Thinking about what?
Do you know we can make this money on our own? I mean, it's a matter of 5 days or more. Yes.
5 days or more?
Yes. Are you truly ready for this?
Yes, I'm ready. I'm ready to do anything, provided it's not evil in the sight of God and acceptable in the sight of men. I can't wait a second to embark on it.
Okay. So you just have to get ready. I have a plan. Please, we came to know if you are the one that is handling this job.
Yes, anything?
Yes, sir. Please, we want you to employ us.
Yes, sir.
Have you been doing this kind of job before?
No, but we are sure we can handle it.
Yeah.
What makes you think you can do it? I mean, your mate should be in school by now.
Yes, sir, but we need to raise money to pay our school fees. That's why we are here.
What about your parents?
Our mom is late and our father have not received his pension for the past 9 months.
Alright, it's okay, it's okay. Sorry about your parents. But since you say you can do the job, maybe I should give you guys a trial. But I beg you in the name of God, do not disappoint me.
I promise, sir. I promise. Yeah. Trust us, sir. Please.
We will not, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
who say they love you only want to use you in this wicked world. What a wicked world. What a wicked world. What a wicked world. What a wicked world. Wicked world. Wicked world. What a wicked world. What a wicked world. What a wicked world.
Daddy. Daddy, we made 2,500 naira today.
Yes.
Daddy,
That's
if we
good.
continue like this, by weekend we'll be able to pay our fees.
No, that's true.
Yes, and you're happy now, Opera?
Yes, kiddo, brother, I'm happy. You always not to make me happy.
Yes, no, because you're my sweet sister.
I am also happy that I have understanding children like both of you.
Oh, Daddy, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, Daddy, let me hurry to the market to look for something to do.
Please, hurry, I can't wait. I'm very hungry.
I'm coming.
Amara.
Jonah.
How's the work going?
Very fine, very fine.
Who are those kids? Those little kids?
Your hired laborers, of course.
What will make this fine girl be soiling her skin with this cement scratching stuff?
My brother, what else? Equal poverty.
Contractor. So how are you?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Please don't call me sir. Just call me Jonah.
Okay. Good afternoon, Uncle Jonah.
I am not your uncle. Just call me Jonah.
Good afternoon, Brother Jonah.
Can you remove that brother there? Just call me Jonah.
Okay. Jonah.
So what is a pretty girl like you doing here? Doing this mini job? You should be in school by now.
Daddy, and if you see this boy, very small boy, and very handsome. I wonder how he managed to have that kind of money to build that kind of house. You saw the house now.
Very big house, I saw it. Very big.
Amara, my daughter, money doesn't come with age. But time and chance make the difference.
Sure.
Daddy, do you know I called him brother? He said I should not call him brother. That I should call him by his name, Jonah.
Jonah. Must be God sent.
Exactly.
So, which one are you? The fish belly or Nineveh?
Daddy! Daddy, no, I can't choose
That's
the fish belly. Not Nineveh. Oh. Let me... yes, since today is public holiday, I decided to come and thank you. At least to show gratitude for what you did for us the other day.
You did very well, okay? I like how you came around to see me.
Thank you.
You know, the last time I saw you, I liked you so much. You understand? You know, and I promised myself that I cannot be alive to see you suffer.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. So, how come you have so much money to build this kind of house?
I'm a businessman. I import building materials.
Oh, okay. So, how come I've not seen you with a car?
You know, actually, I don't live here in the east. I stay in Naija. Yeah, so I normally take fly down here to check how the work is going on. You know, all these contractors, they can eat your money, you know. So you understand. So I come around to check, and I do come around every 2 weeks. But right now, I stay in the hotel.
Okay, no problem. Jonah, please, I have to start going.
It's
My
okay.
dad and my...
Hold on. I want you to take this money and change your wardrobe, okay? Change your wardrobe and change this cloth you're wearing. I don't like what you're wearing. You have to change, just change. Look good, okay? Look good.
All this for me?
Yeah.
Oh my God, am I dreaming? Oh, thank you.
Thank you very much. It's okay.
Thank
It's
you.
one of those things, eh? Such is life.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
I see this one.
Beautiful.
It's beautiful. Nice one.
Very.
And this, that.
Oh, wow. That's good.
All these clothes look expensive.
Yes, they are very
All for you.
Yes, all for me. Let's look at it.
Oh, this is your color. Very good. Beautiful, my dear.
My color. Go now.
It's a lie. For me?
Yes, for you. You like it?
Are you sure? I like it now. How can you be asking such questions? Like my sister. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I love it.
It is suit. You know you are dark, so I got white.
Yes. Thank you very much.
That's very good. I would like to meet this young man myself and at least say thank you to him.
Yes.
He has actually been a source of joy to this family again.
Sure.
Okay, no problem. I'll give you his number so you can call him.
Let's
Now it's finished. Now look at this boy. Hold on.
Yes,
Jonah.
Why is your face like this? Are you not happy seeing me?
It's not like that. It's just that nobody has ever come to look for me in school, so I was wondering.
Okay. I know I like surprises. I just want to surprise you, you know?
Hope all is well.
Yeah, all is well. I was just rushing to the site, so I decided to stop by to see you and probably to give you this.
A phone! You bought me a phone?
Yeah, I bought you a phone.
Thank you.
So I can reach you at any time I want to.
Okay.
And there's a SIM pack inside it. Huh? Use this money to register the SIM.
But SIM registration is free.
Okay, just use it in case you need anything, you need to buy anything. Just take.
But the money you gave to me the last time is still remaining.
Add this one to it. Add it to it.
Thank you.
Hey, your father called me last night.
Yes, I gave him your phone number. Don't you like it?
You shouldn't tell your father whatever we are doing together, whatever conspire between me and you. You shouldn't tell your father. You're a big girl now. Eh?
But I don't hide anything from my father.
See, you should start hiding things from your father from today. Yes, don't tell him about your phone, okay? Keep it secret.
Okay. Okay.
It's okay. Go inside. I'll see you later, okay? Okay.
Oh, what a wicked world. Oh, what a painful world. So full of suffering, so full of sorrows. Oh, what a wicked world. Man should love each other. Always help one another. Those who say they love you
Amara!
only want to
Amara!
use you
Come here.
in this wicked world.
Come here. Come.
What a wicked
I saw him. No wonder your sudden change. See, my spirit can never deceive me. You're not buying new textbooks. Eh? Look at you everywhere I've changed. Everywhere I've changed. Eh? You think I don't know? Eh? I said my spirit can never deceive me.
It's not your type. He does not ask me for anything.
He's on your name. Father Christmas, I've seen him. That person that I saw now, Father Christmas, he just be giving you things. He will not ask you for anything.
So let me tell you for your information, I'm still a virgin.
I'm a virgin too. We are all virgins. Oh, you think I'm not your type? Or maybe because I'm a copper. See, my future is very, very bright. Tomorrow now you can meet me in the governor's office, I'll be the governor. Tomorrow I can be in the local government office, I'll be the local government chairman. Tomorrow I can be the organ in one big office like that. You know. Eh? All this I'm telling you is because I love you. That's why I'm telling you all these things. That's why I'm telling you all these things. But since you don't want to listen, in fact, the thing is this. Consider yourself, you failed HPE this time. There's no point.
You know you cannot try it. And you know it. Jealousy.
Me love. It's becoming. You know it's jealousy now. That's why you're doing it because I love you.
love each other. Always help one another. Those who say they love you only want to use you.
Father, bless and sanctify this food to nourish us for wisdom and love and unity, progress and riches in Jesus' name we pray.
Amen.
Are you sure you're enjoying it?
Yes, it's nice.
Where is it not picking now?
I'm coming. I'm coming.
What's our problem?
I don't know what our problem is.
Hello?
Hello?
Jonah.
Baby.
Jonah, you almost implicate me now. Yes. We were having dinner when your call came in.
Oh, baby, I'm sorry.
Why are you sounding like that?
I'm not feeling fine.
Oh. Sorry about that.
Baby, can I ask you for a favor?
Okay, what is it?
I am sick and I want you to come to my hotel room and take care of me just for tonight. I'm so lonely here.
Oh, Jonah, you know that's not possible now. I tell my father that I'm going to. Besides, an hotel. What if anybody sees me there?
So you don't love me? Hey baby, you don't love me, eh? This little favor I ask of you, you can't even do it. No problem. Good night.
Hello? Hello, wait, please, wait. It's not what you think. Okay. I'll see what I can do.
Okay. Okay, bye.
Mm-hmm.
Come, Amara. Where are you going to this night?
I'm going to Vigil.
Vigil?
Yes, Vigil.
But today is not Friday.
Daddy, it's choir night Vigil.
When did you join the choir?
But I joined last week.
But you never said anything about this choir vigil of a thing throughout the day.
Yeah, I forgot. I just remembered a couple minutes ago. Okay. Later. Have a good night.
Good night.
Please.
Oh yeah, that's Nabeg. Story.
I don't want to fail my work. I don't want to fail my exam. Please.
Okay. 20,000 naira. This is 20,000 naira. All I want you to do now is to come on this bed, open your legs, pull your clothes, let me have my way. Then you have this 20,000 naira and be happy and go your own way. Do you understand? If you don't want to do it, then wear your clothes, close your legs tight. I'll close my 20,000 naira tight. Do you understand?